Yo, what's up? It's Ben with Digital Dreams, and today we're taking you to Oakland, California to take you guys to Korner Kitchen. Korner spelled with a K. It's right off the Fruitvale exit. It's literally attached almost to the Fruitvale BART park and ride. So we're gonna take you guys through this install. It's really cool. They have an outdoor bar. They have a whole bunch of cool things going on. I'll show you guys what's up. So as you can see right here, we got our Digital Dreams vans parked in this little parking lot. The kitchen here is their commercial kitchen, and out over here on the back side, just to the left of the BART station there, is their outdoor patio, dining, and bar area. And let's go check it out. So this mural, this is a pretty cool story about this mural. So before the mural went up, the site was getting a ton of graffiti along this empty wall because like the building was like empty, right? And they're tired of painting over it. So since they commissioned this mural on their back wall, no graffiti artists have defaced this mural. So it's a really cool way to give back to the community and get the respect of all the graffiti artists out there to leave that piece of work out there alone, which is pretty cool. So you got takeout and eat in. There's your bar area, there's your outdoor seating. We have two zones of outdoor speakers, and they're using a Russ Sound commercial streaming unit so they can stream Spotify or whatever they're using. They can also have an auxiliary port where they have the TV or someone's local device. And they also have two volume control knobs in the building for them to adjust the audio for the two zones. This is some of the outdoor speakers we installed. All 70 volt, this whole system is a 70 volt system. And what we did for the customer was, not only did we do the CCTV, we installed a brand new AV rack, we installed the audio system, and then we also installed DirecTV and the video extenders that send the DirecTV boxes back to the displays in the front, which are also having all the video sent over some Wirestorm HDMI extenders, and they have their TVs installed in some outdoor weather enclosures. We have a Verkada 4K CD62 camera installed to catch every face that's coming into the building. They're the only one entrance and exit for the public. customer has a new IP camera system mixed with Verkada. This is all their DirecTV, their patch panel, their Ethernet switch. This is their Rust Sound Streamer Extreme down here that's doing all their audio for the whole building. Got Keith in here, get a nice close-up. So this is where we're installing all of our low voltage next to the high voltage, and these are the outdoor TV enclosures that we're installing for them. So the customer purchased all their outdoor enclosures and mounts, and we just installed it for them. We didn't sell them those parts, but that was our HDMI extender. And they got 3 TVs. We also pre-wired for a future 4th TV somewhere else in the building. But this is us just getting that part ready for them. Keith's just checking the settings on all the TVs. That's all of our flex. Going in, running all of our low voltage to each screen there. Their electrician and their contractor actually installed these other little 2x6s that spread about, I don't know, I'd say like 14 feet, 16 feet across for us to mount those enclosures. They installed that and they installed the power for us, and we just attached the mounts and the displays into those enclosures for them. There's the bar, the corner bar. There's their patio with the displays right there. There goes our speakers, their tables, their setup. It's a really nice place. You guys got to check it out. These are some of their other cameras that we installed around the property. So yeah, this is a couple-day project. Yeah, they got their cover up on their patio, their outdoor patio. So what we're doing here actually was we were lowering the camera the first day that we installed that Verkada camera. It was up too high, and we were only catching some of the people's tops of their heads. So we ended up extending that, dropping it down, putting it a little bit lower so we can get some more faces, so we can record the faces better. We weren't getting that good facial recognition. And we changed their mount from the mount 3 to a mount 2, mount 8 combo, so it actually comes off the wall a little bit farther and goes into that new junction box. Here's the rack with the glass door on all the sides, and now we are jam-packed with equipment. We got so much stuff in here now. In the beginning, you didn't see all this stuff, so we got all the DirecTV receivers sitting on every one of these little shelves, little one-use shelves. We got the amp, we got their NVR in there, we have the PoE switch in there. For the Verkada, we got a whole bunch of stuff in there. So what we did now for them is we just added the display so they can listen to the DirecTV on the sound system. It wasn't an option before. They requested. It wasn't an option before. They requested that later. So we just added that the other day, just a couple days ago. So now they can actually listen to one of the displays out there as an option. I think they had it ready for Super Bowl. But yeah, it's all working. And those are the covers, the outdoor enclosure covers that they put on when they're not being in use, when the TV's powered off. But look at that place, man, it's super nice. So, if you guys haven't been there, look up Korner Kitchen, Korner with a K. Go check them out. Thank you to Eugene, Ronnie, and Alex for letting us work on this project with you guys. Thank you to Chris for referring us to you guys, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Later.